So a major shakeup for Lorain schools. The school board has approved more than $17 million in budget cuts, impacting buildings, programs, and more than 150 jobs. Our Candace Hare breaks down what this means for students and staff. Good morning, Candace.
Good morning, Danita. And it was a 4-1 vote by the Lorain School Board in favor of that more than $17 million in cuts for their budget next year. And district officials, they say that the goal is to create a financially stable environment for the district through at least 2028. But they do acknowledge that this is something that's going to be felt across the community. Now, one of the aspects that would potentially come from this is merging some school buildings and reducing the number of K-5 elementary schools from 10 to 8, with one building remaining a preschool center and another serving students with autism. Several electives, including Spanish, health, money matters, and choir, would be eliminated at the middle school level, with choir also cut at the high school level. Field trips would be reduced, and they acknowledge that some of the toughest impacts, though, would be those impacting staff, with roughly 167 positions eliminated, including 106 from the teachers union.
We're looking at across the board, everything will be negatively impacted. I mean, there are ways we can be more efficient to make sure that we can still provide an education for our children. But when you talk about making the cuts to the level that we made, it's awful.
Now, Superintendent Jeff Graham says that there are a few pathways to restore some of this if they are able to pass the levy that they have on the ballot for May. But he says that if that levy does not pass, there's a possibility that they'll have to make even deeper cuts in the range of between $4 and $8 million. Danita?
That's a lot. All right, Candace Hare reporting for us this morning. Thank you.